Damn.
Like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rix360 and I am Riyaz. So I hope all of you are safe and sound and things are going well with you. So in today's video we'll be reviewing about a dish called biryani. I don't have to really introduce it. It's India's most favorite dish and each zones, each community have their own way of making this. Having said that, I'll be reviewing the South Indian biryani which is closer to my home. It's from a place called Star Biryani. It's a specialized Ambur biryani because even inside the South Indian biryani there are many types. So I'll be going to the restaurant having a takeaway as usual and we'll be checking it out. I'll be ordering a tangdi kebab just as a side dish. So let's see what the Star Biryani has got and let's check out with this. So let's get started. Friends, I'm in a place called Star Biryani. We'll be having a takeaway here. So let's see what Star Biryani has to offer.
When you're near me. When you're near me.
So friends, I have made my order and waiting my package. I think it will not take much time.
When you're near me.
So here we have the biryani and the tangdi kebab. This one is the tangdi kebab. This well cooked with this should be the mint sauce and mayonnaise. Have a closer look. But our main subject is the biryani. You can see that it's given with this brinjal gravy and onion raita. Onion raita, I wish there was more curd. But anyways, so let me check this out, try this out. Guys, it's like phenomenal, so tasty and I don't know how to express it. It's not spicy at all, so for those who need spicy stuff, who likes biryani to be spicy, shouldn't try this. So this mutton tastes just like sponge. It's like cotton candy. It is so soft. Folks, you must really try the star biryani. I feel they should rename it at 5 stars because the taste is really good. I wonder why I never tried it so long. It's like an enlightening taste. The brinjal gravy has a tangy taste, but I'm not much of a gravy guy. I like biryani plain and simple without mixing any gravy or anything. So guys, let's try out this chicken now with both mint and mayonnaise. The chicken is on the harder side. I expected it to be soft, but still it's just okay. I wouldn't rate it high, but it's okay, but not on par with the biryani. The biryani is a superstar, and any one of you wants to try a biryani in Coimbatore, this is the place. I will give you the link in the description. So friends, hope you liked my video. The biryani was really awesome. It was like one of the best I had. The only thing is the spiciness was less. So again, I must say that people who require spicy food are never to go there. But otherwise, the biryani was really good, and it's a must-have according to me. So in my description I will share the link, the location, and also other details whichever is required. So I hope you all have a safe and happy weekend, and take good care of yourself. I'll meet you soon. So bye from now.